1. Drinking fresh tomato soup increases appetite and removes the deficiency of blood in the body. This remedy also removes physical weakness. Drinking tomato soup brings redness on the face. 2. Consuming coffee removes mental stress and the body also feels refreshed. Drinking coffee after meals makes the stomach feel light. Drinking coffee also removes minor stomach problems. 3. To remove muscle weakness, take some salt and mix it in cold water and then massage the whole body with this solution. By doing this remedy, the muscles of the body will get relief. 4. To remove the weakness in the body after illness, it is beneficial to drink decoction of neem bark. 5. Desi dates are energy enhancers. Removing the seeds of dates, filling them with butter and eating them makes the body strong. 6. To remove physical weakness, jam of peepal leaves is beneficial. Eating good quality walnut kernels also gives strength to the body. 7. Carrot halwa is a strength enhancer. Drinking carrot juice increases fat in the body. A lean and weak person should consume carrots every day. 8. Consuming green fenugreek daily removes weakness from the body. Especially a woman who has had an abortion faces the problem of anemia and weakness in the body. At such times, regular consumption of green fenugreek provides strength to the body and also increases blood in the body. 9. Drinking sweet mango juice every morning and then drinking milk with dried ginger strengthens the body. It would be best to heat milk by adding dried ginger and dates. Mixing mango juice in milk and drinking it increases semen, removes physical weakness. 10. Eating a banana with milk every morning gives strength to the body. Taking milk and banana together increases both fat and strength in the body. A thin person should definitely try this simple remedy to increase weight and gain strength. 11. Pomegranate purifies the blood. Pomegranate should be consumed to keep the blood circulation in the body running smoothly. Eating peas increases flesh and blood in the body. Eating peanuts also increases fat in the body and also gives strength. 12. Eating coconut also makes the body fat. Coconut is also a strength enhancer. Eating coconut also makes hair strong and black. One should eat 30 to 50 grams of coconut once or twice a day. 13. Eating ghee daily also increases weight. Sugar and ghee should be mixed and consumed. By adopting these Ayurvedic remedies, you can remove weakness of the body and make the body strong.